You know, just because I live in a motorhome does not mean I spend my life gallivanting about the country like some cashed up Instagram influencer or freeloading foreign fruit picker or some sort of grey nomad. The fact is, much like most people, I spend my Monday to Friday. Actually, that's not quite true. I spend 5 days a week work. Actually, that's not quite true either. I spend 6 days a week sometimes. Sometimes I spend up to 7 days a week going to a job so I can earn some money and put food in my mouth and fuel in my bus and do all the things that I'd like to do, going camping and all those sorts of things. So yeah, I have a job, I have an ordinary life. It's just that I've chosen not to follow the status quo and live in a unit or an apartment or pay rent or have a mortgage and all those sorts of things. So this has been somewhat of a lifestyle choice. So as with everybody else who goes to work every day, when I get up in the morning, I open my windows or open my front door, I get the same scenery. It always looks the same, just as if it is a house or a unit or apartment. For example, this is what I get to look at every time I open up my front door. Which, as you can see, isn't very exciting at all. So I say, let's do something about that. All right, let's give this view another shot, shall we? Have a go at how beautiful that is. So that's going to be my view for the next few days.